What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to Comment Sunday, the day of the week where I read out your comments. And we should basically be getting straight into it, I'd say. If you're new to the channel and wondering what's going on, basically I just cover your comments from what of the videos I've done during the week. There isn't that many videos this week because that was my own fault. I had family over and I couldn't make any videos on Friday and Saturday. But we will cover what we can cover, which would be DD, Carabao, will be Prestige. They're the only three we're going to be covering, so it probably won't be too long. If you want to get involved, guys, easiest thing to do, smash the subscribe button, comment below, even give a like. That would be pretty fucking dope as well. We'll just jump into today's video. So my most recent video obviously was the one about DD buying Stradmans Bugatti Veyron. Now we know there's been a bit of stuff coming out here. Just before I read these comments, basically, the way I think this is both DD and Stradman basically clickbaited the living shit out of this. Stradman made a reserve that wasn't a reserve because it was going to be 1.35 million he was looking for anyway, and nobody's going to, if you were going to bid another dollar more, you would have hit it and you would have to buy it. So he kind of copped out doing the sale of it, which I completely get. And then DDE pretending that they were going to buy it, Damon said he tried to ring him. Stradman said no, they didn't try to ring him at all. So you wonder what kind of BS they're trying to pull on this one. It is annoying. I don't like when people do this kind of stuff. Just be honest with your subscribers and not try and bullshit your way through it. So Horizon basically said, this is going to sound crazy, but I think they should get a Porsche 911. It would be something new. Yeah, maybe, but it looks like their most recent video, guys, DDE, they basically have been hinting about a 4GT, which if you checked in my video on this, I basically said the 4GT is probably a relevant possibility for their price point, and I wouldn't mind seeing a 4GT on there because I really love 4GTs, so that would definitely be a car they would consider getting. 911, look, they already have the GT3 RS for Dave, so I don't know if I doubt they'll go down that route. Delta Dandy, another regular comment of mine. I'm sure they could buy something more interesting. I agree with them there. They definitely could. They said they're looking for a car between 1 to 1.5 million. In their most recent video, they were on about getting the Heritage edition that came in at 1.5 million. Pointless buying the Heritage edition 4GT because it's so rare. You wouldn't want to wrap it and stuff like that. It's the whole point of having the Heritage edition 4GT. Roger 1990. A Bugatti wouldn't make much sense for their channel, but I don't think the Stradman really messes with them like that anyways. Look at every time DD comments on Stradman posts, YouTube and Instagram, and see if he ever responded in the past year, and the only reason why Stradman got a Bugatti is because DD got P1 in my opinion, which is a very good post because that was something I forgot to mention. Like Stradman I've never really seen him ever reply to DD's responses, posts on Instagram, on YouTube. He never replies to them, and it's like with DD kind of forcing his hand about the Bugatti, he was kind of forced into saying, oh yeah, I'll give him a special price of 1.15 million or something like that. And people don't want DD to get the Bugatti. I don't, and it just feels to me like it's just the two of them trying to get views. That's basically it. Mr. Ray says, just publicity clickbait stunt. The reserve is a stupid price, shilled up to buy it now price. Exactly, he's spot on, which was completely annoying by Stradman to go pull that shit back. So let me know what you think about that one, guys. I think it was just a load of bollocks really what they're up to, for trying to get views and stuff when it didn't really kind of pan out the way it should have panned out. So we'll leave them off. Now next up is going to be the Carabao drag race. The Rimac, it should have been the Rimac Navira versus the SF90, and Stradman about selling his Bugatti Veyron. West Coast Turbos, another regular comment of mine, basically said the 08 Veyron looks so outdated in today's world. In the hypercar 30, I would agree, but it is still an epic car. I never liked them when they first came out. I didn't like them one bit. Right now, they're nice, but for what's out there compared now, they would be, they would, I suppose now you could count them as kind of a poor man's entry into the hypercar world, I suppose would be a way of putting it. You know, that I suppose that'd be a way of saying it. So he is right. Like, I mean, obviously if you're Manny Koshman rich, he has them, but he has collector ones that people would want, and that, you know, that's why. And this one will be prestige wise a 3.5 million one rose gold carbon Bugatti. Why are at no comments? But guys, great video. You should really check out his car. It's ridiculous what he's after buying. Like, it's absolutely crazy. You know, just an unbelievable specimen of a car for this Bugatti, like rose gold carbon. It's just, you should definitely check it out if you haven't done so already. So that's really it, guys. There's all the comments for today. You know, I don't want to keep it too long. I did put up a post on Instagram if you want to go check it out. It's about the project car. Basically asked JDM 90s car for project car, or a modern day like Audi, BMW sports car. So please do check out my Instagram if you want to go vote on that, because some other cars have popped up in the works, and I'm really trying hard to put money away for a project car, because I really want to get into wrapping cars. I'm in the process of buying a wrap toolkit and some wrap, so you know, we will get there, but it's just hard, guys, to save for a mortgage for a house and trying to buy a project car at the same time. But yeah, look, that's it for today, guys. Thanks a million if you watched to the end. Again, please do smash the subscribe button, and let me know in the comments below if you're liking the channel and what I'm covering, and you know, stuff that you like, or if you don't like, just don't be too much of a prick. But yeah, tomorrow's video, guys, I will have definitely one out tomorrow. I'm going to be covering quite a few channels tomorrow, and I'm going to try my best to try and do a video every day. It isn't my full-time job, so it's hard to do one, like, you know, 6 days, 7 days a week. But until tomorrow's video, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.